These are fantastic human beings, just like you, who are willing to work to raise money for their family because now they're jobless. Hi everyone, how are you doing? So a lot of people hire virtual assistants. Today, I'm offering you a virtual assistant or an intern for just $100 a month. Most of these people are from Pakistan, and to make sure that these people are of value to you, we are offering you to take up to 3 people a month for absolutely free. So you come into our platform, you pick up a person, you call them up, and if you like them, hire them for 3 days and don't pay them anything. Make sure that they know what you want to get out of them. We have created an extensive online training program, and the internet is full of tutorials. So you can pick up a person and tell them to go and do this task for you. If they perform, hire them, and it's just $100 a month. Imagine what you can do for $100 a month. Imagine the workload they can distribute for you. If you have a job, you can hire people to do part of your job, part of your research for you. We do not guarantee any kind of security for them, meaning please don't give them any passwords. Please don't share your online banking, but give them a try. These are fantastic human beings, just like you, who are willing to work to raise money for their family because now they're jobless. Because the new world of Corona has changed everyone in the world. So have them. Give it a shot. $100intern.com.